Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to revise your item pricing on eBay. Price is the easiest marketing variable to change and also the easiest to copy. This is the reason why you need to make sure to have an optimum price for your item. This will maximize your margins while remaining attractive to customers. Because when you ask people to pay too much for your product or service, and they will stop buying. Ask too little, and your profit margin slides, or customers assume your product is poor quality. Price can seldom be fixed for long. Your cost, customers, and competitors can change, so you will have to shift your prices to keep up with the market. Keep an eye on what's going on and talk to your customers regularly to make sure your prices remain optimal. With eBay, you can update your price individually and in bulk using the Seller Hub. Now, let's walk you through how to do it. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Log into your eBay Seller Hub account at www.ebay.com/sellerhub. Once you're in, hover your mouse to the Listing tab and select Active on the drop-down. Scroll down to your listings. Please take note of the current price row. This is the row that you will be editing. Hover your mouse to any listing without a variation and click the pencil edit icon that will show up. A dialog box will pop up. Enter the new price and click the Submit button. Your listing should be updated right away. Unlike the quantity, you can update an auction type listing price as long as nobody has placed a bid on it yet. But once a bid has been placed, this is locked. If you need to update the price of an item with variations, what you can do is to click the variations link below the listing title. You will be taken to the Manage Variation for that certain listing. Just hover your mouse to the current price row and click the pencil edit icon that will show up, and you can update the price from there. You can go back to the Active Listings page, and the listing with the variation will give you a price range instead of a fixed price. So that's it. That's how you revise your item pricing on eBay. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!